Wow, what a year it's been. 2020, done and dusted. We all went through lockdown, missed out on some of the best weather and sea conditions the lower South Island has seen in quite some time. Regardless of this minor setback, the DSS crew kept their mind on the prize, successfully transporting the F21 Frewza over the Wollongong Pass and into Doubtful Sound. In this video, you're about to see some of the most amazing scenery Doubtful has to offer. So come on a journey with us as we complete phase 1 in planning for the up and coming bluefin tuna season. It was now time to load the boats on the trailer and get them over the Wollongong Pass. Each trip was going to take us roughly around 40 minutes to pass each way to get the boat off the trailer into Doubtful Sound. After collecting all of the data we needed to pull off phase 2, it was time to park up and have a fish. Our goal for the day was to successfully get the F21 out to the west coast whilst manoeuvring through the sounds to see just how much time it takes and how much fuel we'd end up consuming in one day. I'd like to say thank you to Brendan Frew and his family for guiding us through this process and providing access to a great trailer and truck.